Cooking is about using your senses and intuition. You don't need measuring cups. This is your measuring cup. 1 cup, 2 cup. I'm a Korean American LA kid, an immigrant kid, but the food that I cook is American. You know, I was raised here. There are a lot of things that I won't teach you in this class. Exact measurements, exact volume, precise cuts. I really believe in wiggle room. I like to wiggle. We had this truck, we had Twitter, and it was an opportunity to just cook the food that we wanted to cook. We didn't know it was gonna start a revolution. I told you I'm not gonna show you the Kogi taco, but I'm actually showing you the Kogi taco. In this class, I'm gonna teach you how to make my mother sauces. Kimchi, banchan, the kimchi tuna melt, carnitas, mung bean, potato, scallion pancakes. If you don't look like Dexter by the time you finish making kimchi, you didn't do it right. A lot of times you'll see in recipes, use only the leaves, discard the stems, erase all that bullshit from your mind. Use the whole vegetable. What's the worst that could happen? It's gonna taste better? Yeah. Now, this is what you came to MasterClass for. Look at this. Growing up as a young kid here in Los Angeles, it was very tough Monday through Friday for a lot of immigrant families. We were made fun of and bullied. We had to just do whatever we had to do to survive. But the weekends were for us. The weekends were when we used to go to the park and everyone would bring Kalbi and short rib to the party. And I swear, when you put this on the grill, you can't stop people from eating it before it hits the table. I want to teach you a lot about instinct, about feel, about seeing things, hearing things, smelling things. To me, that's really cooking. You didn't learn how to make a recipe, you learned how to cook. It will live with you forever. I will live with you forever, and you'll never be able to get rid of me. I'm Choi, and this is MasterClass.